We're in the key of F sharp, and I want to show you how you can play the song Nizolibonga Igama, and I'm going to break this down. And I have configured some Itende sound. I'm using the legend E-09. Some of us grew up playing this keyboard. So where I am right now, I just happen to found this keyboard, and I'm gonna do that tutorial, the song breakdown for the song Nizolibonga iNkosi Yezulu, right? I might not know the lyrics that well, but I'm gonna play the song first and I'm gonna hum it through. If I know the lyrics, I'll sing along, and then from then we'll break down the song, right? Very simple progression. We have our tender sound ready. We're in the key of F sharp. Right? Alright, let's go. iNkosi Yezulu uphakeme kakhulu, ngizolibonga Nkosi yami, elakho igama. Again, let's go. iNkosi Yezulu uphakeme kakhulu, ngizolibonga Nkosi yami, elakho igama. Ngizolibonga Nkosi yami, elakho igama. Okay. I was trying to make my voice Itende as well. Those Itende vocals, they have they are very special ingredients. So amazing. Okay, without wasting time, let's break down the song, right? Nizolibonga. So basically, starting off with, and the thing with Itende is so amazing. It's got simple progressions but very powerful. So with the song starting off from from 1, right? And if you're wondering, the sound that I'm using that has been programmed on this for this video here, I'm using number 390 bars and lead, and let's see the dual, what is set there, and they mixed it with brightness, yeah, and I probably configured some of the settings there if I was to check function. But yeah, the sound that I'm using, the voice that I'm using, so I'm using the synth here and also the brightness as well, right? So the song starting from 1, iNkosi, I'm playing first inversion, then 4, then 5, right? Because it's Itende, I can't just camp here, right? You gotta do this movement, right? Right? So let's take it again from 1, iNkosi. And I also play this chord again. In fact, let me just include this here, right? It's gonna help you. iNkosi. Then I play this before going to 4. So what I'm basically playing, on my left hand I'm going to 3. On my left hand I'm playing this 5 minor, or C sharp minor rather, right? And which is what? It's 5, sharp 6 and 2, right? Right, and I play that C sharp minor, then I'm going to 4. Right, so I'm playing my root note. If I go to 5 and then I'll play that 2, 1, then I'm going to 5, then I'll go up to that 1. Let's do that again slowly. iNkosi, C sharp minor, then 4, then do that lick, then 5, then we walk up 6, 5, then 1. Then when they do Nizolibonga, and then you walk up from 1 to 4, Nizoli. You'll notice with the walk up, right, as much as on my left hand I'm walking up to 4, on my right hand you'll notice that instead of playing every time when I have to play, for instance, I'm not playing 3 and I'm not playing 2, right? Instead I will substitute that by playing 4. Check, right? Ngizu, I walk up, then I play 4, then I play 1, then I play 4, then I go to 3. While I'm on 3, I'm on 1, second inversion of 1 on my right hand, then I come back to 1, then I close it off. And that's the progression. Yezulu, that's a walk out, walk down. And there is this chord that you're probably gonna use a lot if you're playing Itende, right? C sharp minor 6, right? It's a C sharp minor 6, and I'm basically made up of sharp 6, 2, 3, 5. This one as well is a minor, right? Made up of what? Sharp 5, 1, 2, 4. So then 5. Let's do that again. Walk up. Nizolibonga Igama. For the last time again, slowly. Nizolibonga Igama. Okay, let's wrap up the song. I'm gonna take it from the beginning. iNkosi Yezulu uphakeme kakhulu ngizolibonga Nkosi yami And this was the song breakdown for the song Nizolibonga in the key of F sharp.